Welcome back, everyone. I had a comment today from a viewer named Lloyd. He asked if I had a video about creating a fog effect in Affinity Photo 2. Well, I was actually waiting until Halloween for that one. But for Lloyd and anyone else nice enough to watch my channel, I'm going to give a little preview. I started with this haunted house image I found on pixabay.com. I created a new pixel layer by clicking the Add Pixel Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then I went to Filters in the menu and selected Noise, and then Perlin Noise. As you can see, this gives you a pretty cool fog-like effect right away. If you want to change it, just play with the sliders a bit to get the perfect fog for whatever creepy haunted image you can dream up. I'll go with this here. Now, I'm going to add a mask to my fog layer by clicking the Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then, with the mask selected, I'll grab the Gradient tool from the left-hand toolbar. I'll drag it from the bottom to the top, and I'll use this slider to make some slight adjustments to the gradient. This blends my fog in nicely with the background. Okay, well, I can't stop with just the fog. So let's add some glowing green light to the windows. I'll use my pen tool to outline each of the windows on the second floor. I imagine there's something evil in there. Here's a tip. When using the pen tool, you create multiple curves for your selection by clicking the Add New Curves to Selected Curves object button. For example, I'll select each of these windows here. I'll speed through this a bit. While I do that, feel free to click those like and subscribe buttons. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers by October, and every click helps. Alright, now that I have all the windows outlined with my pen tool, I'll just click on the Selection button on the top toolbar. You see that the pen nodes turned into the little marching ants. Okay, next, I'll go Layer in my menu and select New Fill Layer. I already had this color green selected, but you can change it if you want. To blend this in, we'll go to the blending modes at the top of the Layers panel and select Multiply. Okay, last thing. What's a creepy haunted house on a foggy night without a bat flying in the moonlight? I happen to have one handy in my Assets panel. To let it out of its cage, I'll go to Window and select Assets. This will bring up the Assets panel on the left. I'll just grab my furry little bat friend and drag him onto the canvas. Then, I'll click on the three little bars on the top of the Assets panel and select Close Panel Group. Now, I'll just resize the bat a bit. And then I'll click on the FX button at the bottom of the Layers panel. I'll select Color Overlay and check the box to turn my bat to black. Alright, that's about it for today. If you learned something and want to see more of this kind of content, please click those like and subscribe buttons. I do take requests, so if there's anything you want to see, please let me know. And if you're feeling generous, this channel runs on caffeine. There's a link to buy me a cup of coffee in the descriptions. Not necessary, but certainly appreciated. Have a great day, everyone.